Welcome to the Curated Kitchen, where we believe good food is for everyone. Today, we're making 5 beautiful recipes, each ready in under 15 minutes, using just a handful of ingredients. First up, magical cloud pancakes. You only need eggs, sugar, and cornstarch. Whisk the egg whites, fold in the sugar and starch, and bake until golden. They're so light, they almost float. Next, a comfort classic, creamy tomato pasta. While your pasta boils, salt garlic, add tomato paste and cream, then toss it all together. Rich, creamy, and so quick. For a sweet treat, try this 5-minute chocolate mousse. Just melt dark chocolate and fold it into whipped cream. It's decadent and almost too easy. Need a savory bite, garlic butter shrimp toast, salt shrimp in garlic butter, pile it on toast, and bake until golden. Finally, a healthy and beautiful frozen yogurt bark. Spread yogurt on a pan, top with fruit and nuts, and freeze. This is the Curated Kitchen where food is simple and beautiful. Subscribe for more delicious inspiration.